Hello, we are learning today how to take care of your bike. For making your bike always clean, you can take care of some pieces of your bike, like the wheel, the part of your brake, the chain, and your brake. For cleaning your bike, first you can check always your wheel is not oily. For removing the oil, you can use the clean cloth to clean it, or you use the spray degreaser to clean it. For the next one, you can clean the brakes just to not be oily. So in together the wheel and the brakes will be clean and you will have a better brakes. For the disc brake system, you can clean the disc as well. Until you remove the oil, it's gonna be okay. Just remember, when you clean the brakes, do not bring the oil inside when you're cleaning, so wipe them out. The last part about cleaning is the chain. Chain should be cleaned more often after going out to the dirty track that you gain lots of dirt. To clean the chain, you need having a cloth and lube. For the summertime, better to use the dry lube. This one is humid. Before putting lube, you need to clean your chain out of any dust or any oil that is already dirty. So I will put my cloth that is already with some alcohol or some degreaser, some products that you can remove the oil from it. So I will do it and I will clean it. After passing a couple of times and getting the oil out, I start to put the oil. Before using, I shake it so all the ingredients comes all even. So I do using the chain, moving it. You pass that oil on all the chain entirely for a couple of rounds. Then before finishing the job, you will pass again the cloth just to get the oily, because it might be splashed around the oil and the dirt goes to your brake or other part of your bike. If your bike is in the middle of the road and you want to do it, or you don't have any device to put it, you can use my technique as I did. So you put the bike upside down on your saddle. In case, you can keep the saddle clean by putting something under it. For having a right fit of the bike, you should have a right dimension between your saddle and your pedal. You can change this with all inside this. The mechanism is with a screw or it's a quick bolt. The trick is you have to put your heel and try to sit on the saddle. And when you sit, you should extend to the maximum. And that's it. Because when you start to bike, this is gonna be the position.